Hey, John here with PadPrinters.com talking about the Micro 90 foot pedal that came with your machine. So it's going to need to be plugged in. One note about the foot pedal before we plug it in is that if you look on the inside here, you will notice that there is a little black feature in here. That is a little safety that you have to get your foot in there far enough to depress. So right now I can't push this down. You got to get your toe in here deep enough that you can push it down. So just to be aware, you got to get your foot in far enough to flip that little black switch down before you can step on the pedal itself to initiate a cycle. Here on the back of your Micro 90, you're looking at the back of the machine where you want to plug this in. You'll notice this is the 3-prong connector. You go to XCN10/12 is the connector, and just plug that guy in. Twist it down here. I can get it threaded. There we go. And we're connected. So now we can power on here with the main switch. Come around the front. You see the machine says homing. Pressing the center to home. The machine goes through its homing sequence. It's ready to go here. So to test the foot pedal, we'll put it on single cycle and step on the foot pedal. There you go. It works. That is foot pedal installation.